Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. There is a big news which is coming here from TCS and L&T. One by one I will tell you. Friend, TCS has again started the hiring process, right? And this is still phase 1 hiring only. So phase 2 hiring they have not yet started. So now the exam which is going to happen on 24th of October, admit card already you will be able to download. And the second hiring, friends, which I am talking about is from the L&T, right? So graduate engineer trainee 2024 and 4 semester 8 semester graduate full-time course, right? A student expecting to graduate by 30th of June 2024 after 10+2 diploma. So Indian national candidate born between 1st of July 2020 to 30th of June 2005. So basically, friend, this hiring is for batch of 2024, right? So BE BTech, right, should be more than equal to 60% minimum is required, or 6.75 CGPA. No backlogs during your BE BTech. All branches are basically eligible, right? Anyway, so I will tell you more in detail about this hiring, but let us start with TCS here, right? Because now the exam date has been also announced, and that is on 24th of October 2024. So let's read once here. So TCS NQT phase 1 batch 2025, 24th of October 2024 is the exam date, admit card download. Friends, if you are expecting, right, in this video if I will tell when phase 2 hiring will happen, so that I am not sure, right? But yes, we can guess. So probably it should be in November, and this is right now on campus hiring. So this is happening in the colleges, and this is only for the batch of 2025. Now if you are from the batch of 2024, then please do not expect any hiring, right, for 2024 batch off campus, right? So again, this is my guess, this is my, I can this is what I can guess here. So I cannot say 100% true, but 99% there will not be any hiring, because one time they conduct, see this how the process goes: off campus, on campus, right? One time. So it doesn't happen multiple times. Okay, so you cannot expect 2024 any off campus coming. Okay, now 2025 batch on campus, and for 2025 batch off campus will be also there. And that off campus, friends, that off campus for 2025 batch, that can be expected in December or January, which I have already told you. Now, so you would have got very good idea. So now here you can see, dear, please be informed that the admit card of TCS NQT phase 1 batch 2025, which is scheduled on Thursday, October 24th, 2024, is now available to download by login at the link below. Okay, so registration number, user ID, user password. So your registration number will be your first time login password. Note please that you have to first reset your password to download your admit card. Step 2, reset the password. Now friend, the second thing here which I wanted to tell you, so what kind of questions you will be expecting in TCS NQT, right? So these are the questions which has been asked on 3rd of October, 4th of October, 5th of October, 6th of October. Already if you'll go to our YouTube channel here, right? So already if you go to our YouTube channel here, so you will be able to see, so we had done some videos, right, on TCS NQT, right? So the same day the exams which had happened, so that like 4th of October 2025, right? Then you go here 3rd of October 2025 actual question, 3rd of October, right? So a lot of videos we did on TCS, right? So after the exams happened 5th of October 2024, right? So a lot of videos we have already done. Even we solved some previous year question, the new rules, already a lot of videos we have done on TCS NQT, right? So that you go through, and then here we will be able to see, friends, so these are the questions which have been asked, right? And similar kind of questions we had done in the YouTube also. Now the question here is, friends, so TCS, right? So what are the important topics? Okay, and what are the roles for which TCS is going to hire? So it is very, very clear that TCS is going to hire for Ninja Digital and Prime role, which you are already aware. And friends, see, this is, right, so Ninja, okay, so Ninja Digital and Prime. Okay, so we are talking about BE BTech right now. So for BE BTech, the package offered for Ninja will be 3.36 LPA. For digital, it will be 7 LPA. And for Prime, it will be 9 LPA. Very good packages basically, right? See, the only challenge which is coming right now is the delay in the onboarding for other batches, those who has got hired, but all the offer letter will be honored. So you will have to wait some time, okay? Because they have hired many number of candidates and slowly they will be able to accommodate them into the project, right? Okay, so this is what roles. So it should be very clear to you, right? So Ninja, Digital and Prime will be your roles. Alright, okay. And many of you, if you have not received the admit card, so friends, please do not worry, check with your college TPO, because your college TPO will be in direct contact with TCS, right? So some officials of TCS, but we are not in direct contact with any recruitment team of TCS, right? So at least online study for you, we are not in contact. So we have our student who are employee of TCS, that's all is our contact. More than that, we do not have it. So TCS NQT exam pattern, many of the students were telling, sir, you are telling wrong. There is 3 coding question in TCS NQT. Arey bhai, see, before we make a video, we contact you guys only, right? So those who have written the examination, we confirm with them, right? And then only we make a video so that you don't get any wrong impression, right? See, it's not like that. We are uploading 5 videos in a day. See, why don't we upload 5 videos in a day? See, if you upload more number of videos, YouTube will pay more, right? But the thing is, if you have to upload 5 videos in a day, right? So getting the correct information is very tough, right? See, till then, you know, for making 5 videos, you need the correct information, you need the genuine hiring, right? So if you are uploading so many videos in a day, that means definitely the quality, right? The genuineness of the videos will not come. That is the reason we take time. I, you know, research about the data, right? If it is true or not, and then only I make a videos for you all, right? So that's the reason I say that online study for you is genuine, with very much proud, you know, I feel like when I say that, and it's all because of you only. So now here, if we talk about the pattern, friends, coding question, there will be only 2 coding questions will be there. Let me explain you a bit about it. So part A will be foundation section, numerical ability, 20 question will be there. The level will be medium to difficult, okay? Medium to difficult. So if we talk about the exams which happened on 3rd, 4th and 5th, 6th of October. So here the level was, so it was, you know, I mean, many questions you were able to do it, right? So I will show you the question also. So the cutoff will be around 10 questions. So you 8 to 10 question is the cutoff, right? We have also put the previous year problem on our website. So if you go to our website, right? So I will show you in some time, okay? So verbal ability 25 question, the cutoff will be around 12 to 15 question, okay? Reasoning ability, you can say 10 to 12 questions will be the cutoff. And advanced aptitude around 5 to 7 questions you have to do, and advanced coding 2 questions. So in one coding question, if you do completely with all the test case passed, you will be called for digital, and you know, and 2 coding questions if you do, you will be called for prime role. Okay, interview. After interview, they will decide. So suppose you are called for a prime interview. If you do not perform well in the, you know, prime interview, then what will happen? Then you will be degraded to digital or ninja, or you might not get anything. Okay, so that should be very clear. Now many students say, sir, foundation section I did not do well, but coding I did well. So there will be sectional cutoff, right? So sectional cutoff, so if you do not clear the sectional cutoff, then it doesn't matter how you know, good you perform, in part B, right? So it doesn't matter how good you perform in part B, part A, if you do not perform well, right? If you do not you know, cross the sectional cutoff, then it's of no use, you will not be selected, right? So all those things, because many time people will tell, I did 2 coding questions, still I am not selected, right? Because somewhere in the foundation section, the cutoff you did not cross, right? Okay, so that you should be very clear. Also friends, the, you know, more about like, you know, how the pattern will be and the previous year problem. So what you do, you just go and search onlinestudyforyou.in. okay, so as soon as you open our website, right, so here there will be a exam PYQ section, syllabus and pattern, each and everything we have brought up for you. So you go to exam PYQ. We have even updated TCS 2025, right? So TCS 2025 pattern we have updated here. So let's see. So you will be getting here, right? So you come down. So you see TCS, Infosys, Cognizant. So here pattern analysis 2025. What was the exact pattern? Which were the topic which were important, right? So each and everything we have done it. So just go to our website onlinestudyforyou.in 2025 pattern analysis. Okay. And there you see like, so check-in time. So what will be your check-in time? What is the documents required? Okay, so and then they will tell you floor information, validation process, COVID declaration form, login assistance, okay, exam start time. So we are giving you the complete information right here, which are the topic from where more number of questions, how many questions were asked, right? So that also numbering, what is the cutoff, right? So number of questions and cutoff we are giving it to you. Okay, so if you go down here, right, and then pattern analysis, right, so there will be theta questions will be there, 5 to 6 theta questions will be there, coding. Okay, so what will be the time for easy? 35 minutes, for medium 55 minutes. Okay, and then pattern analysis, right? So a lot of things we have already done, and after that we have also given you the questions which was asked, and even the solution will be also provided here, you can see, right? So coding questions also we have put it here, 3rd of October 2024 coding questions. So we have done a lot of activities and we are doing. You just need to get to our website onlinestudyforyou.in, and then you will be able to find out like job updates, mock test, syllabus, exam, PYK, interview questions, all those things, right? Okay, anyway, I will tell you what is an important topic as part of your TCS examination from aptitude point of view. Okay, because aptitude is one topic where you will be, many of you will be getting stuck, right? So that's where I actually put more effort into that. So why it is not moving? So is it hanged? Just a minute. So we will see what happened. Okay, so I will have to close, or maybe I will have to open it once again. So let's go to download. Okay, and TCS. Okay, fine. Again it is okay now. So now the topic has been opened here. So important topic as part of your TCS NQT 2025 exam will be basically simplification, percentage, profit and loss, statistics, average, time, speed and distance, area and volume, time and work, ratio and proportion, SI and CI. Now how to prepare for that, friends? It's very, very simple. See, you have to focus on important topics. You have to write the mock test within the time limit, because many of the students, when I asked like what was the problem, then they were telling, sir, we got so much into solving the problem that we did not even realize how much time is left and what is the time allocated, and there only we lost the examination. So mock test, proper preparation, right, and lot of practice is required. So that is the reason, friends, we designed TCS NQT crash course for you. See, in 2024, I have repeated multiple times. In 2024, we gave more than 5,000 selections in Ninja Digital and Prime. Okay, so that's where like we also celebrated, and this is one of the photo from the event, right? Okay, now that's because of our TCS NQT crash course, and now we have organized this TCS NQT crash course in such a way that, right, so we have introduction to course plus how to start, TCS NQT 2024 asked questions, recorded videos, quant, reasoning, verbal plus coding, where you are going to practice. Practice set is there, lot of practice set is there. So if you'll open the practice set, right, so practice question from important topics. Okay, TCS previous year question, aptitude and reasoning, TCS previous year verbal ability, TCS aptitude and reasoning practice question, fully solved TCS previous year aptitude, reasoning and coding question, where more than 500 plus questions has been solved, right? Okay, and then 1.4. So 1.4, if you'll see, mock test series is there, right? So mock test series here you can see. See, every time you will be see basic test series is there for the beginners, but right now as you have exam, so you go for it. So TCS NQT 2024 test series, TCS NQT live mock test, and there the solution is here, right? So we have also provided the solution for that. And then full length test series, TCS NQT 2025 mock test 1, mock test 2, mock test 3, mock test 4. One more mock test will be updated today. Okay, and after this, friends, if you'll see, this is how you will be getting result. Result does not come just by explaining and doing something, right? If you want to give result, you have to work more than the student, right? So if a student is working for 4 hours a day, you have to work for 8 hours a day. Then only results will come for the student, right? Then live classes, new batch, live classes is already going on. Today also we have a live class, right, for dynamic programming. Okay, and live classes, this is the old batch, right? So we have arranged in a very proper way now, so that you will not have any confusion and you will be able to crack the exam. Friends, see, after your exam, no, even if you'll pay 1 lakh for this course, it's of no use, right? Because see, this is the value of this course is only till your examination. If you crack the exam, everything is done. If you don't crack, and if you'll use YouTube a lot of resources, you will be able to do it, right? And that's where after your exam, many students come, sir, I did not qualify TCS examination. Definitely we can't do anything, right? So you will be only having regrets. So for 1,000 rupees, you are ready to take a risk. Definitely. So if you'll take a risk, you can't say that the results will come or not, right? Okay. So, and I have seen many students regretting later, but there is no other choice. Now, nobody can do anything, right? Okay. Now, friends, L&T hiring for 2024 batch, right? The link is here. It will be there in the description as well. Okay. So no problem. Nothing to worry. Now you see here in L&T, right? Okay. So L&T registration basically. So L&T is hiring for graduate engineer trainee 2024. So they are telling, bhaiya, you should have completed your graduation by 30th of June 2024, right? Okay. And you should be Indian. Okay. That's fine. So, and then aggregate for BE BTech should be more than or equal to 60%. If you have 60%, then only you apply, or 6.75 CGPA. You should not have any backlogs, past or live. So in the past also, if you had the backlogs, if you have even cleared, still you are not eligible, right? Okay. And now friends, here, okay, so all subjects should have been cleared in the first attempt itself. Any subject paper not cleared during usual attempt and reattended for whatever reason will be considered as the second attempt. So they are only looking for first attempt. 10th, 12th diploma in any engineering stream should be more than 60% with even, so whole academics, they wanted more than 60%. Should have completed 12th within 2 years from the completing 10th, or diploma in any engineering streams within 3 years from completing 10th. Job location across locations in India, okay, and company reserves the rights to the requirements, branches eligible and eligibility criteria, right? Okay. Now, so if you see here friends, profile photo, you have to put your profile photo, native state, native city, mobile number, college name, personal email ID, educational marks, 10th, right? And then here 10th, 12th they are asking, and then UG college name, right? BTech marks, UG passing year, UG specialization, resume, right? And you have to just fill all the details and then you will be able to submit. Now, regarding the syllabus, right, and the complete pattern, we will be making a different video altogether. So don't worry about it, right? So right now you go ahead and apply. The link will be there in the descriptions. You do not have to worry at all. And very soon we will be definitely meeting for the another videos. If you want the quality content, definitely I will be going to make you or I'll be making you wait for some time, and we will be delivering only 1 or 2 videos, but that will be genuine and quality content will be there. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best, and don't forget to like the video. We are going to meet soon again tomorrow.